In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color with a checkbox in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a sheet where checking a box instantly highlights a cell with the color you choose. This is perfect for marking tasks as done, tracking approvals, or visually flagging items that need attention. I'll assume you already have a spreadsheet ready, and that the cells you want to use contain checkboxes. In Google Sheets, a checked box evaluates to true, and an unchecked box evaluates to false, which is exactly what we'll use. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the top right, click the grid-shaped app launcher. This opens the panel of Google Apps. Choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in, open your document. Before moving on, make sure the active selection includes the cells you want to change color when a box is checked. Conditional formatting targets whatever is in the Apply to Range field, which is usually based on what you've selected, so it's worth confirming you're clicked into the right area. At the top menu, click Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. A sidebar will appear on the right. This is where you'll tell Sheets what to look for and how to format the cells when the condition is met. Under Format Rules, open the condition drop-down and choose is equal to. In the value or formula box that appears, type true. This tells Sheets, when the cell's value is true, which happens when a checkbox is checked, apply the format. Next, choose your formatting style. Click the fill color and pick the highlight you want to see when the box is checked. You can also adjust text color or make it bold if you like, but the fill color is the most visible cue. Make sure the Apply to Range in the sidebar points to the cells that actually hold the checkboxes or the cells you want colored. If it's not right, you can adjust it here without changing anything else. When you're happy with the settings, click Done. Now test it. Check one of the boxes in your selected range. The cell should immediately change to the color you chose. If it doesn't, double-check that the rule applies to the correct range and that you typed true without quotes. That's it. You've set up a clean, automatic way to color cells the moment a checkbox is ticked, keeping your sheet clear and easy to scan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more visual, organized spreadsheet.